Hi, today in front of me Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just we should hold the application and then drag this app to another one. Now you can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more just applications. If you want to give a name or rename the folder, just click here to unnamed folder and enter the apps. Tap to OK, and now we can see that we'll just successfully give a name to our folder. If you want to move this folder here on the home screen or just between the screens, we just should hold the folder and just drag it. Also, we can create the new screens with a folder, just hold and drag it here. Just to remove the application from the folder, we should hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, we can remove all of the applications with the folder in one click. Just hold the folder and drag to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.